No, weather is good. Sun is coming. Hello. Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Good, I'm good, thank you. So guys, welcome in this new video. Today we are in Kashmir with our friend Amjad, my friend Felix, and we are going to visit one new artisan. Let's go see what he's doing.
In a fucking airplane to come and to see one.
Another one is in the
Maybe wood carving, but wood carving, maybe no, I can see the show the wood. How we have been able to do.
It's more than 200 years old.
Was that touching on the background?
Phone कर दिया अब गाड़ी यहाँ माइक माइक because people over there. Mommy, Mama, you can't hear. No. Come on.
Next.
Keep the door shut. You remember what how you have to buy? Come on.
See, your income is there, right?
Yeah, the cheese was a small bird.
Small birds.
How are you doing?
Oh, thank you.
Sweets. How are you doing?
You can see what you tell me. He's doing great.
He's good. Go find when you do it.
Hello.
Hello. Hey, man, here.
Mahmoud, my friend.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, man, let's go find. He could you with that.
He's saying he does not know how to say thank you very much.
Ah,
Say shukriya.
shukriya.
Shukriya is rocking.
So people.
That's wood carving?
Yeah.
Hey, one name is Wari. Please clean your Wari.
Yeah, that's wood carving.
You see, do you want to top of the
It is
I'll tell about my foot to you. 8 minutes, 8 minutes. Right,
Oh, that's a big one.
Wow.
Carving too? No, not carving, it's clay.
clay.
That's crazy.
These are nice.
Yeah, that's the clay that they use. Gold paint. What is it for? It's like a...
Copper, dire wire, I think that
I
was.
haven't seen.
For the dye.
He has birds also.
Ah, okay. Drawer. That's nice.
Drawer
So,
of this has
this
Yeah,
job
because
took
they are working on
8
this
months. 8 months to do all of this.
Radu,
Oh, this the same technique.
Not exactly the same because here they use embossed. So they use a clay and then they put the paint at the top to have the embossed. This flat and engraved.
Surely to Muhammad, God.
It is written over here, Ya Ali.
Ali, yes.
Zulfqar.
It's for Iran, right? Iran.
It is.
That's beautiful. The sword.
Because most of the artisans,
Yeah.
Yeah.
they use it to do in footballs. They
Yeah.
The sign.
the sign.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the green of Iran.
Yay.
It is.
Asker ke kafi. Mansa asker satmak. Az eşeğin balıkken bu masa maklayımı kunyeti ayağım ya.
No.
Hem kaymaçın suara içine kaymat. Yani suaramız outline dimu. Ussa. İler suaramız outline. Yani jatma şabaro. Şelmez gaçı ad gaçı var, birkaç oruyor. Jatne ki ussa.
We can do this. We can do this. But you know what? These are just maple leaves.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. It's the time.
You was iş kasa kas story. Ussa iş bakımın yatsı. İş bakımın yatsı. İş bakımın yatsı.
9 arts. I go to ministry. I do an open event with the artisans and I ask for certification for everyone. This corner, you look, there is a very thin line that is going. You see? The very thin line on the side. Very thin line. What is it?
It is the engraving.
Laser.
Is it?
Yeah. This I need to buy a big papier-mâché.
The thing is done on the leather.
Yeah, on the leather. Yeah.
Ya.
But it's a flat leather at the beginning and then we assemble.
Ja, det var ju också. Just paljetarna kvar är kinget på den bok. Mordpaljet. Jag tar ju akran, inte jag. Jag tar ju white.
He's saying
The outline could be white, right?
outline could be white, the interior can be different.
Yeah, okay.
Dual color.
I don't know if I...
Like
for the symmetry and
For the
photo web.
symmetry.
Okay.
And use different colors.
Yeah, then it's easier to do the symmetry.
Su var.
4 colors.
Su. Ye. Su var. Yebadım.
We are too little white.
Okay, very little bit, yeah?
Ya ye.
What I think we should do, if it helps me, we can do the outline. But then it needs to do by hand, redo the outline. For hand.
You can inspire from these.
Jag sa till tjejerna. Sabbat tror jag var i Johnny.
He's 13 years old.
13?
Ah.
What's his name? What's his name? Name?
No, Kashmir.
Quem? Eles nem trovavam.
He's saying
But
13 years, that yellow color.
oh,
13.
very old.
Ah, 30.
You want to take these, you son?
Trovavam var i game speaking.
Do you think their age is that long?
13 is too much, no?
Pardon,
I thought only 3 years finished.
Ah.
Wow.
Come here. I want it
Understand?
Mm.
It's coming on
Intelligent,
you.
they're very intelligent.
Here. It's coming on you. Oh. It's coming
Oh.
on.
If
İçine
you,
bir hal, çay vayçına alem, içine bir hal ki ya.
And singing. And
Başka yere
full enjoy.
Next time you use a game.
thank you very much. Bye bye.
Next time, no candy, cigarette. No sweet. Okay, see you, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Allez.
Okay.
We are going now for a tour because
we go.
our artisans are not there.
They are eating.
Hmm?
They are lunchtime.
No,
No, I don't know.
actually, we were having only two artisans.
Surprise.
Ah, only two today.
Only two artisans were left with pashmina and the
voilà.
carpet.
Marwan.
Oh, nice to meet you. Bye bye. Bye. Okay, guys.
One of them is in hospital, other one is not at home.
Ah,
So
so now we finish.
so we are finished.
Carpet, we'll see. Carpet, we'll see.
He's not there.
Ah, bah yeah.
He's not there. I cannot
It's not his fault, I think.
think it's not my fault.
It's his fault, man.
How is my fault?
It's his fault. He didn't plan well.
You did not tell me last time that we are doing something.
What is written on the offer for the 2 days? What is written? Do you remember what is written? What is written?
We are seeing every
ये क्या है
Which artist?
ये क्या है
carpet,
ओके
but he's
What he says?
ये
Here?
हाँ
YouTube.
YouTube
YouTube.
What is written on the offer? I think we'll have to revise the offer.
Okay,
before
guys.
leaving, because
It was
out
very
of
nice to show you
4
this.
artisans,
Don't forget to subscribe, like,
one is
and see you soon. Bye bye.
painting. There was what else? What?